The Aqua Flo Platinum QCRO kit is a highly effective water filtration system that includes a 50-gallon per day reverse osmosis membrane, ensuring optimal water quality. This system enhances the taste of drinking water by removing unpleasant flavors and odors, delivering a refreshing experience comparable to bottled water. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free with the quick-change filters, allowing for tool-free setup that makes maintenance a breeze. With the ability to reduce up to 98% of common contaminants like lead and chlorine, it ensures safe and healthy drinking water for your household. Choosing this filtration kit is a cost-effective solution that not only saves money, but also helps in reducing plastic waste from bottled water consumption. Manufactured by Canature Water Group and branded by ESP Water Products, this model combines quality and reliability for an exceptional undersink filtration option.